If you're looking to offer limited time boosts to commission rates, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it effectively and keep your affiliates motivated. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement a strategy that drives results. When it comes to increasing motivation for affiliates, offering a limited time boost to commission rates can be a game changer. It's a simple but effective way to incentivize your team, and in this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you want to start by setting clear objectives. Are you aiming for a boost in sales, a certain number of conversions, or do you simply want to create urgency around a product? Having this clarity will help you structure the promotion properly. Next, choose the right timing for your limited time offer. The best practice is to align your boost with events or milestones. For example, you could offer a higher commission rate during special sales events, holidays, or even as part of a product launch. The more specific you get, the more relevant the boost will feel to your affiliates. The third step is to decide on the percentage increase. Don't go overboard. A 10-20% increase in commissions is often enough to catch attention without harming your bottom line. You want it to feel like a real incentive, but not something that will put your margins in jeopardy. Once you've set the increase, it's time to communicate the offer. Transparency is key. Let your affiliates know exactly when the promotion starts and ends, and be clear about the terms. You can use email, notifications, or even a special announcement on your affiliate dashboard. The goal is to make sure no one misses out on the offer. Now, here's a tip that most people forget. Track the performance during the limited time boost period. Use your software to monitor conversions, affiliate activity, and the overall success of the promotion. This will help you determine whether the boost was effective and give you data to fine-tune future offers. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using. It's only available to viewers of this channel. You'll get hands-on experience with a tool that can help you set up and manage commission boosts, track your affiliates' performance, and much more. Check the description below to grab your trial. Key takeaway: limited time boosts to commission rates work best when they're aligned with clear goals, well-timed, and communicated transparently. They offer your affiliates an immediate incentive, and when done correctly, they can drive more sales and engagement. Quick recap: start with clear goals, choose the right timing, set a reasonable increase in commissions, communicate the offer effectively, and track performance. Plus, remember to grab that free trial for the software we used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.